Hai teman sekalian, in this tutorial you will learn how to make 3D colorful text effects to post on Instagram.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
This is the design of my typography that I post in my Instagram today. This is pretty cool. I will make it the replica for you, so you can make it for yourself. Let's start it. First I am going to do is make a new canvas. I'd like to make square because this is to be posted on Instagram instead. I want to create a background. Click this, create new fill or adjustment layer. I will give it solid color. Make it light blue. Maybe this is pretty cool. This is soft blue. Next, I will make a new layer. I mean text layer. I choose chunky fonts. If you don't have chunky fonts in your font list, I will give you in the description. I will share the link for you. Let's make a text. I choose this font because this design of typography will work best the effect in the font which is big and large. I think chunky fonts is suitable for that. I will highlight it. I want to increase the space on the text a little bit. $200. Yes. It's enough. It will be very fun for this. I want to change the color. Yes, I want to make change on color. I will give red. This is slightly different from the background. I want to move to under the new year here. Here I will show you how to make duplicate layer to form a 3D effect by a new shortcut. Previously I told you in the text growth effect, 3D text growth effect, I show you how to make 3D effect by adding an action with load action like this. But in this tutorial you will learn another way to make 3D effect. You can see that I already have two text layers here. This layer is in red so you will see the differences between the text and the background. I will do Ctrl T on this layer, Ctrl T, and then I will make a little move with an arrow keyboard. I will do one click one click down, you see here, and then one click to the left, like this. Press enter after that. You can do Ctrl J to make 40 or 50 layers under this layer here, but you will feel tired on this because on each layer you will make a little move like previously, one down arrow and then one arrow to the left. So I want to give you a shortcut. Just press Ctrl, Alt and Shift and then press T. See, you will see this one layer under the layer here. Do this until 40 layers is formed. Okay, I will do that. A little more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more. That's it. For these 40 layers, I will make a group, press Shift and then rename it with, I will give the name 3D. After this, I will make a group on this. Just right click and merge group. You will gain the 40 layers is formed to merge into one layer here. Now I want to make rainbow on this layer. Double click on this layer and load the blending options. Click on the gradient overlay. You can choose rainbow, this rainbow or this transparent. This rainbow also you can choose this. In this layer style of gradient overlay, you can change the angle. Like this. You will gain another composition of color. I want to make this red color here. You can also change the type of style here, linear or radial, angle, reflected or diamond, but I prefer to choose linear. You can also change the percentage of scale here. Look. I think this is enough. After you form the rainbow in the 3D effect here, I will rasterize layer style. Well, I'm going to change the brightness and contrast for this, only for this layer. So I will choose brightness and contrast here. And to make this effect only work for one layer below, press Alt on your keyboard. You will see the arrow and square, and then click. You will see the symbol here. The symbol means that the changes will take effect on one layer under this layer. Let's make a change. I think this is enough. And then I will make hue and saturation changes. I also want to make this give effect on one layer under this layer. You see the differences? The goal of the changes is I want to make the rainbow is more light like this, not really too bright. I think this is enough. Line on this layer, I want to duplicate it. And then convert to shape. You see the outline here. I will make this no color. I choose with purple. One pixel. You can choose this strip style or the dot style here. This is outside the light. Okay. You can change this. You can also click this more options. But I think this is okay. I will move this to this direction a little bit more up here. I think that I have to change the background because this background is overlapped with the rainbow, this color, soft blue. So I want to maybe change to pink or peach. Just click here, choose a solid color. Maybe I want to make change with peach, like this. Yeah, I think this is pretty good. Okay, that's it. This is the making of New Year Instagram posting today. Let's save it into JPEG. And this is it. This is New Year posting today on my Instagram.